You can make money in less than 5 seconds. $5.50, $5.75, and $5 over and over and over again, as much as you'd like. Once you've earned that money, you can cash out through PayPal, crypto, bank transfer, Payoneer, and so much more payment methods. And this method is available to everyone from all parts of the world, which is always a plus. It's also 100% free. You don't need to invest anything or to pay anything or even show any money to be able to participate in today's method. This method is absolutely beginner friendly, and in a few seconds, we're going to be walking you through the whole process, step by step, and we're also going to be showing you guys a real life demonstration to accomplish tasks and make money in less than 10 seconds. This is quite brand new and it's actually really great. You won't need to sell anything or refer anybody or any affiliate marketing of this sort, and you don't even need any social media following. So make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video, and let's jump right into it. The website that we're talking about today is called 5squid, and to get to their website you can just type in 5squid.com and that should take you to here. Now basically this website allows people to buy, sell, and request 5 different services on this website, and they usually cost about £5 to $5 US. As you can see, you'll be amazed at what people can do for 5, 10, 20, or even £50. You can also create a custom orders and post requests. If you scroll down, you'll see all of the other services provided by the rest of the people who post on here. Now don't worry, because we won't be asking you to create any videos or do any graphic designing, because as much as possible we want to keep it as simple as we can. A little bit about this website: making it easy to buy and sell services online. Now what is 5squid? 5squid was created to provide a secure platform where people from all across the globe can trade on their skills, and savvy buyers can pick up a bargain without compromising on quality. We offer a massive range of services for every budget, with services priced at £5, £10, £20, or £50, as well as the option to create custom orders with a bespoke price. Upgraded pro sellers can offer all their services at any price and enjoy a host of other nifty perks, like offering recurring services on subscription. At 5squid, we strive to be fair to all of our users, and perhaps most importantly of all, we want everyone and anyone that happens to stumble across 5squid to have a reason to smile. So that's how this website defines themselves. To the newcomers, where are y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. Now let's continue. So why use 5squid? There are as many reasons as there are services on the site. Squillions, but we will limit it to 5. It is uncomplicated. It is simple. If there's a service that you would like to sell or buy, then 5squid will help you buy or sell it. It is fair. No ifs or buts. 5squid gives everyone the same opportunity to earn some extra cash on the platform. It is playful. 5squid is British, but not the stuffy kind of Brit. More the cheeky, choppy, and fun and playful is our gang. It is approachable. We're always there for our users, friendly and welcoming. The kettle's always on. Well, virtually at least. It is inclusive. We are here for freelancers and companies, no matter your shape or size, buyer or seller. 5Squid is for you. Now, who uses 5Squid? Everyone and their dog. Okay, maybe not the dog, but we do have an impressive global community of members spanning over 100 countries. Individuals and companies sell services to boost their income. Companies and freelancers used to buy great services at a fantastic price. What's not to like? Now, if you want to see the categories of the listings, you can click on this button right here and you'll see all of the categories of services that this website specifically offers. And as you can see, there are a ton. Now, to dive into what we want you to specifically follow to be able to earn the most money, look under others and then select on your message on, and that should take you to here. Now, you'll see that all of these listings are simply services that will put your message on whatever. For example, you want this listing, just click on it and then it'll take you to here. I will make Einstein write your 3 messages on a blackboard for £5, and £5 in US dollars is 6.8 US dollars. So it's more in US dollars, so you can actually earn more, which is just great. Now, you can make a listing just like this too, and you might be wondering, I don't know how or what to do. Well, now we're going to teach you how you can offer this service. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on, so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. So now you're gonna go to heatmill.com and then select on Einstein. And as you can see, there is a ready-made photo of Einstein writing on a board, and the text on the board you can actually change. So if anyone avails of your service, you're obviously going to input what they want you to input. But as an example today, let's just type in, "Welcome to Digital Money Queen, like and subscribe." And then hit the change image, and just like that, Einstein is promoting my YouTube channel. So it's really fun and easy, and to save the output, all you need to do is just right click on the image and then click on save image as, and that should save straight into your computer. Now, there are other stuff too, okay? You have Uncle Sam on this website. If you want, all you need to do, like we did with Einstein, click on Uncle Sam, edit the text to whatever text is being asked to you, and just like what we did with Einstein. Then we also have Quaker, and again, you can change the text, and that is basically it. Make sure that you sign up and post listings for all 3 of these icons, and everyone and their dog would want their names written by them so bad. And that is everything. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video, because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off, because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love, and hit the bell button so that you'll be kept up to date. Love y'all. See you in the next one.